is vegan. La 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 la. She's got food and yes, it's season. La 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 la. She's got juice and fun and flavor. La 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 la. Healthy meals that you can savor. La 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 la.
Y'all, I did not cook, so wow, gumbo from 2 years ago to the rescue. I don't remember making this at all. So we're gonna bring this, okay. Good morning, y'all, good morning. I didn't see Stralisha this morning, but that's not uncommon. Sometimes I just don't see her, but I did put her food out. Breakfast is the same as yesterday, except I'm not gonna do the oatmeal. I'm just gonna do the muscle milk and the kombucha. I also have my energy drink for later, and I already showed you guys that I'm going to be having gumbo with those leftover noodles for lunch, but we'll see how that tastes. 2 years ago I froze that. 2 years ago. We're drinking water. All right, I will see you guys at work. So the day started off wonderful. We were headed to an indoor playground, but then we discovered that it did not open until 10. So I said, girls, let's go shopping. Let's ball out. Shoes on Miss Erin, whatever you want. So they really did pick out some shoes that were too big, but they can grow into them, and they loved them. So that was great. Got your own bag. We finally made it to the indoor playground, and I had as much fun as the girls did. By now, my breakfast had definitely worn off, y'all, so I was so hungry. So I had some leftover noodles. Yes, these are from, what, Sunday or Monday? I don't know. Point is, leftover noodles. And now let's put this gumbo that I took out the freezer this morning from you might as well really say 3 years ago, because it's almost 2026. My food's not ready yet. I'm going to eat a banana. I got to eat something. Let her have some num-num. So finally, after waiting almost an hour for my gumbo to heat up in the oven, and after handling several toddler crises, I could finally eat my disgusting lunch, y'all. This was so nasty. When I tell you it tastes straight like freezer burn every single bite, I was like, maybe it's just the noodles. So then I tried the sausage. Then I tried the shrimp. Then I tried the noodles again. Then I tried to add hot sauce. Like, y'all, if I wasn't so hungry, I would have been stopped eating this. I ate about 4 or 5 bites and just gave up, okay? This tasted just straight freezer burn. Nothing else. No flavor. Yuck. Alright, y'all. I am off work. We're going to go in Publix. Y'all don't get me. I'm still trying to get the whipped cream for the party. Aaron, you're not supposed to go to the grocery store. This is for the party. I said no more food for me. Although, y'all, I am slick, kind of hungry. I've been drinking, so I'm not, like, starving. I've been drinking my kombucha and my water. But y'all know I had, like, 4 bites of lunch. That was so nasty. So I am hungry. Okay, I'm trying to think what's that hump tofu. But yeah, that's all I need to get out of here is whipped cream. Can we do it? Yes, we can. We can. Okay, well, also no vegan whipped cream here. Neither do they have the vegan cold foam that I've seen in other stores. No cold foam either. Like, Publix used to hold us down. Like, what the heck? I figured it wasn't gonna be vegan whipped cream in here, but I just want to try my luck. It's a no. It's a no. Y'all, we have success. Thank God. Now, what's cold foam versus whipped cream? I don't know. I don't know what. It's only one more left. Oh, I was gonna buy 2 for that price. Okay, let's see if we can find some vegan whipped cream too. Nope. No luck. Well, we'll call this a semi-success. This is like the bigger Kroger than my home Kroger, but it's caramel flavor. It's not regular whipped cream, but I'm done for the night. I'm going home. Y'all, I'm bringing in groceries, and here comes Stralisha, crunch, 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 scaring the bejesus out of me, honey. I thought it was a raccoon, but anyway, she getting fed again. So y'all niece is here. But guess what also arrived in the mail? Her bed is here, y'all. Let's put it together. So most of y'all have told me that Stralisha most likely already has a bed. Like, duh, she's been sleeping somewhere for months now. When did Stralisha first get here? I don't know, but it's been months. I'm pretty sure she already has a home. But I still got her one. This was supposed to get here on Friday. Today is Wednesday. Oh well, got here early. So let's open it up. Let's see how big, honey. Yes. Okay, I'm extremely frustrated, and it's not that late. It is now 8:10. I haven't even started editing today's vlog, and it takes nothing to get me. Okay, so I'm gonna stop for tonight because clearly I'm not doing something right. It's supposed to be no assembly. You can tell it's crooked right now. It's so crooked, and I put it on time lapse. Nothing is happening. The slot's not fitting. I'm just gonna take a breath and forget about it tonight. She's clearly not sleep. She probably won't sleep in this ever. However, I'm not gonna frustrate myself, get my blood pressure up right now dealing with this cat bed. Like, I really want to push it. In fact, let me go ahead and just vent my frustration. I had to do that, y'all. I'm an only child. I'm childish. So we'll start over tomorrow. Anyway, what I'm doing right now is I am cooking some tofu to make a salad because I never did have dinner. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna eat dinner, we're gonna breathe, finish watching YouTube, and we'll do that later, another day. All right.
I wouldn't know what to do. And not only that, it don't always take our name.
This one's super soupy. Extra gravy. I hope you like this.
I hope I like it too. This better be fresh cheese. And it's time for you to please clean up this area. It's getting disgusting. Oh, it's good. It's good. Nom, 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 nom.
Why are you standing there?
I'm still hungry. That cat food soup was really good. But you have any more treats in the trailer? Cause
No, I'm gonna do it today.
stay right
I
here
just was getting
until
ready
you
for
leave.
work first.
Because I'm still hungry.
Okay, it looks like she is still hungry. That was a lot of gravy in that one. So I don't know how much food was in there. I'm still hungry. You did eat it all gone. Okay, that's it. And then let's just update our abandoned house here. I don't know how to make the hole stay. Now we got the tarp to stay. But now you can't tell it's a house. All right, Stralicia, this is not for you. This is for the raccoon for tonight. I should have threw it out yesterday. Ugh, y'all, that's that gumbo. Disgusting. Ugh. All right, you enjoy your treat. All right. Okay, y'all, I forgot to try the silk cold foam yesterday because I'm pretty sure I still need to find another one. This was just a, hey, we found something. So let's try it out. Did have one more plant protein, so let's put a little bit of that in there. This will be like the hot chocolate, so we'll see if it mixes. I don't even know what the difference between cold foam and whipped cream is. Let me see. Oh, it foams. It does not, there is no whip. Dang, so this is not what I want. But anyway, okay, cheers. Oh, that tastes like melted caramel ice cream. That is delicious. Okay, so it does that. I really didn't know the difference, y'all. I saw the picture, but I was like, what is it? So it just don't, okay. Ooh, that is real. I gotta put that down. I know that's 1,000 calories. 2 tablespoons, 25 calories, 4 carbs. Total sugar's 4. Okay, that's really good. I'm still gonna search for either another one. We have to go to another good Kroger, or still look on the hunt for whipped cream. But this one's definitely coming. But that's only gonna last for 5 people. Once they taste it, they're gonna be. I'm getting ready to go for real. All I gotta do is take off my bonnet. I'm already dressed. Yum yum yum. Oh, I can have some more? Let me have some more. That's good. Thank you. Yum, yum. You want up while I'm cooking? It's hot. It's hot. I can't get you while I'm cooking. It's hot. You don't care. Up anyway. Okay, hold on. Okay. 1, 2. I gotta eat this in the car. We gotta go. All right, y'all, I have made it to job number 2. I do not have any dinner, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna make some, I'm not hungry though, let's be clear. I'm going to just make some nachos. They have some tortilla chips. I have that leftover tofu and I found some salsa, so like cheeseless, sour creamless nachos. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm ready for the show. What's the name of the show?
It's gonna be called The Grand... Well, it's called the Grand Catastrophe. Then the other one's called The Cat with One Paw.
Oh.
It's gonna be a horror movie, but it's gonna be chill. It's gonna be poorly done, so it'll be a bit of a laugh. Because it's poorly
I'm
done.
so excited. Okay.
This one I have no idea. They did totally on their own.
Got it. Okay. I'm excited about this. I'm so excited. And it's going to be presented on the elevated stair.
Yes, they insisted on it.
Got it. Okay.
Anything you like? Anything?
Anything. You gave me my sweet tea, a water, maybe a LaCroix.
Okay. Here's your...
Thank you. When does the show start?
I don't know. I gotta go check. She said it is so minute. No. Gentlemen and gentes. Or ladies.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the catastrophe.
Oh.
Sorry, we had no idea. She insisted on doing it alone.
Oh gosh. This is a horror movie. So, having some salsa, jalapenos. This is dinner. All right, y'all. I'm about to put the girls to bed. So that is it. That's all. I've ate dinner and I'm going to bed when I get home. So see you guys on day 19.